Alright, look, I take this 4 ace, look, ace of hearts, ace of diamonds, ace of clubs, ace of spades. 4 ace random positions will do, it's not switch, and now I squeeze this low more 4 ace like this. And now I shuffle this 4 ace like this, and now I shuffle this 4 ace like this. Now snap my finger and 4 ace control it bottom of the deck. It's really clear card control, it's really pure sleight of hand. Let's learn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really nice card control because you control it 4 cards, 4 ace. It's really amazing because it's really pure sleight of hand, it's really clear card control, it's really unbelievable foundation card magic trick. Please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, and now share this video with a friend magician. Why not? Maybe a friend really magician. And now take 4 ace, take deck and teach this trick. Let's go. So for this card control you take 4 ace, maybe you take 4 any cards, maybe you take 4 ace, and 4 ace put in her really center random position this deck. It's really true. It's not force. Yes, it's really not switch. It's really 4 ace. Alright. And next step you control this 4 ace like this. Your right hand takes this deck like this. Alright. And next step you use this finger squeeze these cards like this. Squeeze like this. And next step you use this finger squeeze this corner like this, and this card slide this cards like this. Of course this is corner like this corner like this. Alright? So I repeat, look. Alright, look, I repeat 4 ace, put in her really random position. And now squeeze this corner, and this card slides this cards like this. Alright. And next step you take this deck like this. And next step you use this finger squeeze these cards like this, and this finger take this corner like this and move it like this. Right? So look, I repeat, cards face up. Dun 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 dun, ace of spades, ace of hearts, ace of clubs, ace of diamonds. Squeeze, move it like this. Take this deck like this, alright? And now use this finger squeeze, and this finger take this corner and move it like this. Alright? It's really 1, 2, 3, 4 ace. It's really easy move, I repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ace, look. Squeeze, take these cards like this, squeeze, right? Look, squeeze these cards. And next step, use this finger, take this corner and move it like this. Alright. And next step, your right hand, move it like this and take little pile. And now use this pile, take this 4 ace, alright? Take this 4 ace and move it like this. And now use this 4 ace bottom of this pile. And next step you make a riffle shuffle and control these 4 cards. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make really shuffle and shuffle like this. And now make a full swing cut. Use this finger, count little pile, make a full swing cut, snap your finger and show it 4 ace bottom of the deck. Alright, look, I repeat. 4 ace, yes. Ace number 1, ace number 2, number 3, number 4. 4 ace, it's really true, it's not force, it's really no switch. And now squeeze, move it like this. Take this deck like this. And now you squeeze this corner, alright? And now use this finger, take this corner and move it like this. Alright. And next step you take this dribble like this, take little pile, take this 4 ace, move it like this, and move it like this. Now you shuffle, count little pile, make a full swing cut, right? Jig, 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 jig. Snap your finger and show it ace, 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 ace. It's really cool. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.